Well, it's very easy to get caught up in the day-to-day drudgery of work, but one organisational psychologist is setting out to remind people of the power of philanthropy and how it can transform workplaces.
Matt Henricks is the principal consultant of the Helping Hands program, which is a team-building exercise where employees can build a prosthetic hand for people in need. He's about to launch a new program called Waterworks. For more, he joins us now in the studio. Matt, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you.
Firstly, tell us about your new initiative, Waterworks. What is it all about?
Well, there's 1 billion people in the world today that don't have access to clean drinking water. 5,000 kids under 5 die every day from waterborne diseases that are easily preventable. So what we've done with the Waterworks program is we've converted building water filtration systems, each one of which is going to be able to give clean drinking water to up to 200 people. We've converted that into a team building activity, so your workplace will be able to actually build a real filtration system that they know will change 200 people's lives. It's going to be really extraordinary.
It is quite interesting. What I've been able to gather so far is that in a matter of hours, a team can actually put together something that, as you say, will influence the lives of up to 200 people. That is definitely motivation for a team, isn't it?
It's amazing, and I think the way that I think the really smart thing about the way we've designed it is that in every sense, those people are going to be in business together. It's just a different kind of business. They're going to be building something that's real. That real thing has a real customer, they've got real quality requirements, and in every sense I think all of the same team dynamics and things that we need to overcome in the workplace, they're going to have to overcome in order to build this filtration system, and I think that that's what's really going to set this apart. We'll be able to have a great platform to engage with customers and help them understand the importance of quality, the importance of customers, but I think more importantly the importance of really connecting with a sense of purpose to really understand that what we're doing at work is meaningful and convert that back into talking about their workplace.
Now, Matt, you're an organisational psychologist.
Yes.
And different from, say, your average charity worker who works out on the field. So how is your approach different to, say, what the aid agencies do in terms of providing clean water?
It's a great question. I think that this problem is so big that I think we're going to have to come at it from a number of different perspectives. So our goal, our contribution, we're aiming to build 1 million, build 5,000 filtration systems that will provide enough water for 1 million people. We absolutely expect that there'll be a range of other approaches that are going to need to be used to solve this problem. What our approach is to really help corporates see the value in doing an activity like this for their workplace. Yeah, so I think that as a psychologist, my experience is about helping people get the most out of their staff at work, and I really like to think that this activity is going to be a powerful opportunity to give people a really visceral sense of what it's like to be involved in a 100% meaningful task at work, and to help them reflect on how powerful we can all be. You know, in 2 hours they're going to change 200 people's lives, and the reality is in the workplace, we have that opportunity every day. Every person we meet, every email we send, every stranger that we bump into is an opportunity to make a difference. We just need to go out there and grab it. So I'd like to think our activity has been such that not only are we doing good charity work, but the people that attend the session are going to get so much more out of it than just charity work.
So how do organisations get on board? Because I understand as well that there are going to be launches for this particular program in the UK and the US as well. So
really exciting, yeah. Look, it's a big global problem, so we figured let's do a big global launch. We're launching in the Thames. We're filtering water out of the Thames upstream, because downstream salt water, but we're filtering water, drinking it. It's good enough for us. It's good enough for our customers. We're then launching with our distribution partners in the States. Really exciting. But the website right now is waterworksprogram.com, and that's program spelt with 1 M, and that's how people can get involved. But it's launching globally on the 27th of April, and from that point onwards Australian companies are going to get involved.
Now, of course this comes off the back of your Helping Hands program, which helps landmine victims. Tell us about the progress of that initiative.
That's been extraordinary. We've been overwhelmed with the amount of people that have wanted to get involved. We've had 300 companies be involved. Of those 300 companies, 15,000 employees have actually built prosthetic hands, and they've all together built 4,500 hands already. We've got a goal of 5,000 hands by the end of this year. We set that 3 years ago with absolutely no sense around how easy or difficult that would be. But it looks like we're going to achieve that goal before, I don't know, about September this year.
And you've got a model of that hand on set, don't you?
Yeah, that's right. It's a pretty extraordinary thing. The fingers close in a ratchet-like motion and open when you cock the wrist. And it's a very basic system, but it's waterproof. It's less than 1 pound heavy, and it's in the Smithsonian because the design's been seen as so innovative. So this hand not only is giving people a physical ability to hold a toothbrush, a spoon and feed themselves a pen to stay in school a bit longer, it's actually emotionally healing people. A lot of the people that are landmine victims out there in the developing world actually have a sense of shame about their disability. Often they're hiding the disability themselves with a long sleeve shirt tucked into their pocket, or physically themselves being in hiding. So we have people that turn up and receive a hand and are literally learnt to be invisible. And when they walk away, they're skipping and laughing and thinking about all of the new things they can do. So we're giving them physical capabilities that they didn't have before, but I think the emotional healing we're giving them is almost more important.
Fantastic work, Matt Hendricks. Thank you so much for your time talking about this morning.
Thank you so much.
It's great to have a great news initiative, isn't it, Mary?
Indeed, absolutely.